We'll see a question of quantitative aptitude as part of my today's solution. And this question is actually asked in many competitive exams. So we'll see the solution. And all those who are preparing for competitive exams can subscribe to my channel to remain updated. I solve one question on daily basis, and moreover I solve questions not in a typical mathematical way, but these questions are solved so that people with non-mathematical background can also understand. Now the question is shown. There are three statements S1, S2 and S3 and followed by a question. So the question is actually about the age of four people A, B, C and D, and who is the youngest. This is a question in brief. Now we'll read the language. The statement S1 says C is younger than D but older than A and B. The S2 says D is the oldest and S3 says A is older than B. So the question is, who amongst A, B, C and D is the youngest? So this is the question. And thereafter the options are given, option A to option D about the statements, correctness of the statement, and option D is the answer. That means statement 1 and statement 3 together are sufficient to answer the question. So in brief, the question is about age of four people A, B, C and D, and who is the youngest. This is the actually question to be answered, and three statements are given with the relationship of their ages. So with the help of these statements, we have to ascertain that how many statements are needed. All three are needed, or only statement 1 is required, or 2 are sufficient. So this is the question. So now we'll see the solution. Now the question is shown. Who amongst A, B, C and D is the youngest? This is our question. Now S1 says C is younger than D but older than A and B. So we can write it like this. D is greater than C and C is greater than A and B. So that means D is older than C and C is older than A and B. Now in this equation we are not able to find out that who is the youngest, because we know that D is older than C and C is older than A and B, but between A and B who is older is not actually known. So let's see second statement. D is the oldest. So that means D is greater than A, B and C. But this is also not solving problem, because we know that D is older than C and C is older than A and B, but between A and B who is older is still not clear. Now statement 3 says A is older than B. So if A is older than B, then we can put this equation like this. D is greater than C and C is greater than A and A is greater than B. So this means B is the youngest. So that means statement 1 and statement 3 are required to answer the question. So hope answer is clear. Answer D, statement 1 and statement 3 is the correct answer, option D. So thank you very much and thanks for watching.